So good. Italian garlic and Parmesan chicken skewers on the Blackstone. These are so moist and tender, juicy, and I can promise you everyone in your family is going to love these. They're perfect to serve up family style, which is my favorite style. So let me show you how to make these at home on your Blackstone. I've got boneless, skinless chicken breast. I'm gonna cube this up into bite-sized pieces over the top with some of this extra virgin olive oil from Graze. It's a sizzle oil made for high heat, so if you don't have this, I like extra light tasting olive oil or avocado oil, or use whatever oil you prefer. We want this chicken full of flavor, so I'm adding fresh grated garlic, some garlic salt that has parsley in it, and if you're lucky enough to have Tutto Italiano still on hand, which was a limited time seasoning blend that I helped create, if you don't have that, use the Blackstone Tuscan herb. It's also so delicious. And we're adding some of the Blackstone Bayou blend. We'll add some Parmesan cheese. Go for a good quality cheese. To make this marinade creamy, we're going to add some Dukes Mayo because Dukes, it's got that twang. Mix this all together. Now, if you want to let this marinate as is, cover it up, stick it in the refrigerator 20 minutes or up to overnight for even better flavor, or get these onto skewers now and let them sit in the refrigerator to marinate on the skewer sticks. While they hang out, we're gonna make a garlic butter. We're gonna smear this all over our chicken at the end of the cook. I've got some melted unsalted butter, some Parmesan cheese, flat leaf Italian parsley that we chopped up, a ton of grated fresh garlic, always fresh again. The flavor is superior over jarred garlic. We've got more of our garlic salt with the parsley in it, and for a little pinch or kick of heat, I've got some crushed red pepper flakes. All of this gets mixed together with a little bit of our Italian seasoning. To freshen this up, we're going to grate in the zest of a lemon and add just a little squeeze of that lemon juice. We'll get our Blackstone turned on. I love my griddle mat. This saves me from having to clean my side shelves. Such an easy, quick cleanup. We'll need some tongs and a brush for our garlic butter. Our chicken is ready to go. I always allow any of my meat to sit at room temperature inside the house. If it's coming out of the refrigerator for 20 minutes, allowing it to reach room temperature is going to help you have an even cook on your meat. Our griddle is set to medium-low heat, ready to go. A thin layer of oil, which keeps my seasoning nice and even each and every time I cook. Then we'll add all of these chicken skewers across our griddle, letting these go for about 2 to 3 minutes on all 4 sides. The chicken will release from the griddle just like a pan once it's got some nice color on each side, making these easy to flip. As soon as I flip these on to the last side, we'll brush on some of that garlic, cheesy butter all over these, allowing them to finish cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes. Before we pull these off, I love serving these family style on one of my many of big cutting boards that I collect, topping these off with extra Parmesan cheese. This recipe couldn't go any quicker. It's so simple and so fast, but one of the tastiest things ever. I love that you could serve these as a full dinner with your favorite side dishes or a salad, or as a party appetizer or party finger food. For a large crowd, it's inexpensive. I could probably eat these every single day for lunch and dinner. They're so juicy, fall off the stick good. I know you guys are gonna love these, so be sure to make them. Post a picture when you do, and be sure to tag us, Blackstone Betty and Blackstone Products. Until next time, I am Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video. Pam, you're gonna love these. What? You're gonna like them. Can you hit off?